So, we're not in the Southwest anymore. I came home to Michigan for the holidays. Had a chance to visit with some family, spend some time with Irene, take care of a few things. But boy, I think it's time to get back on the road again. Today's not too bad. It's about 18 degrees out. We've had a little light snow, but this is unacceptable. And we're supposed to get a cold snap starting in about 3 or 4 days, where it's going to get down to single digits. So today is Wednesday, end of February. Friday's March 1st. I'm going to hit the road on Friday, push down through Memphis, pick up I-10 in Dallas, and start heading west to Quartzsite, meet some friends out there. This year is my 70th trip around the sun. And so I thought I'd push myself a little bit. Certainly we're going to do the boondocking and where the campsites are, but I think what I'm also going to do is try and do a little bit more hiking. Finally get all the way up to the Palms and Palm Canyon, but some other trails as well. And I think I'll start breaking out the bike a little more, seeing what the bike trails are like. And then I think I'll also try and focus a little bit on healthy cooking and preparing some good meals in the trailer as well. And what you can do with just a frying pan and a pressure cooker. Anyway, that's what the next series of videos are about. I hope you guys are still there. I know I haven't posted in a long time, but that's the nature of this channel. But I hope you're still with me, and see you guys down the road.
Turn around when possible.